It's a strong call to action. When content creation on social media was first started, it wasn't known what that was. It wasn't known that they were supposed to be told what to do next. It was assumed, well, if they like the video, maybe they'll subscribe, or maybe they'll reach out, maybe they'll email. That can't be assumed because they don't know that they're supposed to do that, or they don't have a reason to. They have to be given a reason to act. So having a strong call to action and telling them where to go is where the relationship can also be pursued actively. It's like being on a date with somebody. If a second date is wanted, sure, hard to get could be played, but they might also be thinking, did that even go well? Do they like me? Should this go anywhere? And then what if that's a missed connection? Instead, a second date should be asked for. They should be asked to take action, click the link below, join the email list, and continue that relationship. Speaking of dating, the next concept that is loved to be shared is know, like, and trust. The audience needs to know, like, and trust to be able to take that action. This dating analogy is used to create that image. It's not just going right in for the proposal. The audience is being nurtured through valuable content so that when a call to action is had, it's a no-brainer because they know, like, and trust. If the effort to date the audience isn't made, it would be the equivalent of someone coming up to you on the street and being like, hey, want to get married? And the response would be, I don't know you. You don't know my last name. You haven't taken me to dinner. The audience needs to be known, and they need to know, and that's by creating valuable content. Now, that's not to say that calls to action can't be had in content right from the get-go, but value must be led with before bringing them to a call to action. And that is how that is done. This is through the third tactic that is like to be called the 80-20 rule. Now, this can be 80% and 20% in one piece of content, or it can be 80-20 in the whole content structure. An example is the post example given before, where a story was told, and that's like 80% of the post, and 20% of the post was the call to action. So value was led with, a story was told that hopefully tugged at their heartstrings, or showed them the path and painted that picture of what life could be like if they follow this strategy that is about to be told when they click the link below. Having the 80-20 rule is going to be really important for building that know, like, and trust factor, dating the audience, and leading to the call to action in a way that isn't abrasive, like going straight for the proposal. So remember, all in all, lead with lead generation, lead nurture, and lead conversion. When that is in mind, with every piece of content created, it will boost brand loyalty and sales. If more is wanted to be learned about creating content that converts into cash flow and builds a raving audience, training on just that is had. Click the link below to get free access to the next training. I'll see you there.